Aloha y'all. So this is a topic I've been meditating on and I've been wanting to talk about. The Northern Lights is made from plasma, which if you know, plasma is the fourth state of water. Water being the oldest element that connects us to spirit. It's what we come from, it's what we return to. It's interesting because if you look up what is plasma, it says it is superheated matter, okay? It's coming from the sun. The fact that plasma is a fourth state of water tells you that we're under a dome and that is water above us. Also, 99% of the visible universe is made from plasma, aka the fourth state of water. So plasma is basically highly ionized gas, meaning that it's heated and the electrons are sped up so much that it separates from the negative ions separate from the nucleus. So we had the sun and Uranus conjunct in Taurus. As you know, it's caused by the coronal mass ejections, and corona means crown of the sun, which deals with the crown chakra, because in alchemy, the sun actually rules our crown chakra. And that's why it's so important to get sunlight every day and to expose your crown to the sun, because the sun is our connection to God's source, and our heart, which is ruled by Venus, which is the ruler of Taurus, the season that we're in right now, is what connects us to the earth and all of humanity. With Uranus and the sun conjuncting, because it's dealing with the crown chakra, Uranus deals with the crown chakra, the ruler of Aquarius, and then the sun in alchemy is dealing with the metal gold, and wisdom comes from the crown chakra. Wisdom is different than knowledge because it's the inner knowing that comes from above rather than books and man-made knowledge. As you can see, the Northern Lights is purple and green, which deals with the heart chakra and the crown chakra. We're in Taurus season. It's a time for us to slow down and integrate and really bring these spiritual upgrades into the body, because that's what this really is. A lot of people are caught up in the physical spectacle of seeing these lights because it is a natural phenomenon that I really wish I could see, but being in Texas right now, there's been clouds for like the past week, which who knows if it's man-made or natural. Age of Aquarius, discernment is key. Like with the eclipse, it was a natural phenomenon, but then they interfered and had the CERN thing happen. Now we have the solar event that's happening, and it's obviously a natural phenomenon because what it looks like is that we're underwater and there's a firmament above us, and the coronal mass ejection from the sun is plasma. The polar lights is usually most active in the North and South Pole, and most people, we can't go to the South Pole for whatever reason, which is Antarctica. Look up the Antarctica Treaty. It's interesting because the Aurora Borealis looks like someone is shining light from above and it's traveling through water, and that's pretty much what it looks like. My advice at this time would be to get in the sun and to get these downloads and upgrades from the solar event. And whether or not you saw the actual thing happening, it's the spiritual times that we're in, and it's these upgrades that are free for everybody. So all you have to do is step outside and get some sun. Also, something I've been saying since 2020 is that the North and South Pole are entrances to inner Earth, aka Agartha, but that's another video for another day.